In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pre-order reports on KDP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are just starting with Kindle Direct Publishing and want to understand how to effectively monitor their pre-order sales. Let's dive right in by heading over to the Reports section on your KDP dashboard. Once you log into your account, navigate to the Reports tab. This is your main hub for gathering insights on your book sales and other essential metrics. The Reports page offers a streamlined and practical view of all the relevant data, which makes it an invaluable resource for both authors and publishers alike. Now, the next thing you want to do is select the Pre-orders tab. You'll find it on the interface designed to make the navigation process easily manageable. The Pre-orders section is where you will find the data specifically related to books that are in the pre-order phase. If you have initiated a pre-order campaign or are simply trying to gauge interest in your upcoming release, this is the place to check. Once you are on the Pre-orders tab, it's time to view your orders and trends. This section is particularly useful to see the number of pre-orders your book has garnered. You will be able to see daily trends, which indicate how your marketing efforts or announcement campaigns are performing over time. Observing trends can provide useful insights into which days or tactics are most effective. This can be crucial for planning future releases and marketing strategies. If you find that you need to analyze this data further or keep it for your records, there's the convenient option to download the report. Simply look for the download button, which allows you to save the report as a CSV file, making it easy to open in any spreadsheet application. Being able to download the report is especially helpful if you want to manipulate the data, such as sorting, filtering, or simply creating graphs for a more visual analysis. By having the report in a spreadsheet format, you can better track which strategies resulted in increased pre-orders and adjust as needed moving forward. In summary, checking your pre-order reports on KDP is a straightforward process that can provide you with powerful insights into your pre-order sales and marketing success. Keeping an eye on these reports can help you refine your approach and ensure your book launch is as successful as possible. As always, understanding your data is key to making informed decisions, and utilizing the tools provided by KDP can set you up for continued success in your publishing journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in navigating the KDP pre-order process. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need to check on your pre-order performance in the future.